Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to use this new model LTXV 2.3 to create this 5 seconds video.
The plan is to steal all the chimichangas. What's up, pussy? Oh, hello there.
Okay, as you can see it works fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the ComFyUI portable. Okay, run it from here. Okay, fine, it's open. When I use this workflow right here, you can get it in the link on the description. Okay, before we use this workflow, we have to download this requirements models. Okay, now let's download one by one. You can download from clicking right here and copy download link, or click download and the downloading is begin. You can do this process for all the files. Second one, okay, it's download directly. For me, I downloaded all those files. Make the same process for all those files, others. Okay, after that, let's put it one by one. Okay, diffusion model. Okay, I think it's here. Let's open another one. Here, in my downloads. Okay, let's return here, ComFyUI. Open it. Okay, ComFyUI. Models. Let's begin with diffusion models. Okay, LTX2.3 BDEF. Okay, where is this one? Okay, this one, it's here. Okay, second one is LoRa. Search for LoRa's. We have two files in LoRa's. Paste those files right here. Okay, we have three files VIE. As you can see, VIE 1, 2, and select the third one here. Okay, there is two files. See TXT. Okay, text encoder GGUF. Okay, for this text encoder GGUF, please in clip. Search for clip here and paste the GGUF right here. Replace. Okay, the clip connector and the clip. This one. Okay, this one in VIE I already downloaded, added. Okay, spatial upscaler and latent upscale models. Okay, fine. Tiny VIE, I already add those. Okay, let's return here. Make it bigger. Okay, place the models by clicking right here. You can click like this. Oh, okay, there is a problem. This one in diffusion model. Where is diffusion model? Okay, let's rename this one. I think there is a problem with the name of this. What is the name? 19B. LTX2 90. B. Okay, LTX2.3 FK4 GGUF. I think it's fine. Okay, let's roll up the page. Okay, it's fine. Okay, the connector, this one. Java 3, this one. LTX2 embedding connector. This one. Audio. Okay. This one. Video. This one is good. And partial upscaler. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think all is good. Okay, let's go to Laura. Okay, good. Okay, it's good. Let's use this default prompt. Okay, now it works. Okay. Okay, I think it works.
Oh, hello there. The plan is to steal all the chimichangas. What's up, pussy?
As you can see, we are creating this
hello there.
video 5 seconds. It looks good video with audio 5 seconds. You can adjust the size of the video and the time with going right here to this length. You can make it bigger. For example, if you want 10 seconds, make it 200 and hit OK and start the work. It works fine. Okay, we are finished with this, guys. As you can see, this is my workflow. It works fine. Subscribe for the channel for more tutorials like this.